So we have 3 points. First, intelligent devices can transform raw data into actionable insights, enabling operators to achieve higher efficiency and transparency across their processes. Second, by combining advanced sensor technology with digital connectivity, such as Ethernet-APL and OPC UA, our instruments provide not only precise measurements, but also rich diagnostic and contextual information. And third, the asset administration shell finally makes plug and produce a reality. It creates the basis for efficient processes and greater plant safety and lays the foundation for autonomous plants. So these 3 points allow predictive maintenance, faster troubleshooting and optimization of process parameters, reducing downtime and energy consumption.